So after a few days of skating and surfing in Canggu, I made my way down to the town of Ubud, which is direct smack center of Bali, right in the middle. And it's known for having a bit more of the culture and nature. So the plan was to just stay in Ubud for a few days, rent the motorbike, and go around to the surrounding places. I had a bunch of spots picked out that I plotted in Google Maps, so we were just going to take the motorbike around and go around to all these places. So guys, we're here now in Ubud. Today we're just going to check out some temples around the area, and I am completely alone this time, so I'm just kind of doing my own thing. So let's get today started. So guys, we're here at Goa Gaja Temple, and right when I parked here, this lady came up to me and hooked me up with the thing. This random guru guy just popped up out of nowhere and asked me to follow him down to this hidden ruin behind the rock. It was pretty crazy. What's up, y'all? We are here at the monkey forest here in Ubud. Let's check it out.
Good news, thank you.
Crazy, there's monkeys just literally everywhere. They're just like sleeping and jumping off trees everywhere. It's crazy. What's up, guys? Sorry. I'm just here visiting. The monkey grabbed by a camera strap. Oh my gosh. That was the scariest moment of my life. Just grabbed my bottle. That was crazy. I think I got a bad case of food poisoning because I was in the bathroom all morning and last night. But today we're chasing waterfalls. We're going to a bunch of different ones today. So we're here at the first one. We're here in Tanganugan Waterfall. I guess it's one of the popular ones. There's a lot of people here. I'm glad we came early because it looks like floods of people are coming in now. There's a lot of people there now. So at least we got to see it before everyone came. So I met this super cool local guy named Yoman at the waterfall, and he was telling me about this hidden waterfall in the middle of the rice field, not too far off from here.
Going to the waterfall. Yeah.
Me and another friend, Fayez, who I just met, decided to go down there with him and check it out.
Oh, what? That looks crazy.
It turned out to be this magical spot, and it's just crazy that you can find little corners, little spots like this in Bali.
Oh man, again.
The rock, like a statue.
Never seen that before. One of the best waterfalls. No people here.
So after the waterfall, Yeoman showed us around some more places. He gave us a little tour of the more local side of Bali, a bit more of the real Balinese culture here. We checked out a coffee plantation and we tried some different teas. They have the luwak coffee, which was that famous coffee that is made from the animal droppings that eats cherries. So as strange as it is to make coffee with animal poop, it was actually pretty good. Checked out like a butterfly farm. Took us around to see some of the arts. So we went to a famous Balinese painter's shop and a master woodcarver's shop, and showed us a bit of the jewelry making that goes on here in Ubud. He showed us that there was something for everyone here, whether you're into the arts or nature or food and coffee. There's always something here. So that's what's pretty magical about this place here.
Whoa. That's insane. Look at this guy. Thank you. Thank you, Yaman. Yeah. See you later.
This is the side of travel that is not all pretty. I am not feeling good. I feel kind of weak. I think it could be a fever or something. I felt like every step was like I was gonna die walking. I'm gonna rest this off and see what happens. I got food poisoning for 3 days and I couldn't leave the hostel. I moved to a hotel and decided to recover in my own bed, have my own peace. Yeah, once I got my energy back, I decided to get back on the road and check out the rice fields that I haven't seen yet. Balinese rice fields were just out of this world. I couldn't imagine how they planned all this. So many levels of rice paddies. It takes hours just walking around the whole place. So it was just a labyrinth of rice fields. You just get lost in it. Ubud was an amazing time. It was a great experience. I definitely got a huge taste of the culture here and the beauty. I got to interact with the locals and make friends with the people here, and they were all just so friendly and nice. It was definitely an amazing Zen-like place. It was a great place to take in all this fresh oxygen from all this lush green environment. Can't wait to come back. Up next, we're going to Uluwatu. We're going to check out some of the beaches down there. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet and follow along. And leave a comment and like this video. I will see you guys later. Peace.